Setting everybody, boy Big Brandoh, and today we got another boxing session. This one comes to you from Rebel Reaper. Let's see. If you haven't been following these dudes on Instagram, I suggest you do. Dudes are really dope. Really good following. They utilize social media perfectly. They run a really dope brand. The really cool thing is they show a lot of behind the scenes stuff on their Instagram stories. So if you are interested in that kind of content, watching a brand who's very successful kind of show some behind the scenes on what they do, some of the methods and the way they source stuff, just pretty much doing a lot of research and development, check out their Instagram, Rebel Reaper Clothing. I'll leave some links floating around the screen or something, but the homies over there sent over some really cool merchandise, something new for them. Dope decal, Rebel Reaper. This is a cool card that they put in all their stuff. Let's see if that's focused in. There you go. So you can check that out. Very dope. Some stickers. Smaller sticker, and shit, another sticker up in here. But this is what they sent over. They did some sunglasses. Packaging is crazy, man. Everything's branded. Towel to clean them. Let's check it out. Boom. These dudes just launched their own sunglasses. Let's see if we get focused in here. Bow. Look at these things, man. Crazy. Detail is dope on these. Really clean, guys. I like it, man. Stuff's crazy. A little bit backstory on their brand. They do really good marketing. They do really good product placement, product photos. They utilize their Instagram perfectly. I knew about this guy's brand before he even started watching the channel. I was already kind of following them because I am into motorcycles. I did see their post long before. Long story short, he's a subscriber also. Watch some of the videos. There's nothing I could say about this dude's brand that he's doing wrong. He's doing everything correctly and everything organically. His story is really dope. The cool thing about him is he shares pretty much everything he does for the brand, why he does it, where he came from. Everything about it is really grassroots, organically done by him. Super dope dude. Had a few conversations with him. I really love everything that he's doing. So Matt, if you're watching this, I really appreciate you, my brother. I appreciate you for shooting these glasses over to me so I could unbox them. Keep up the good work. I'm trying to focus in here on that logo. So dope, man. These are branded well, very clean. Keep the bugs out of my eyes when I'm riding. I appreciate you, my brother, but keep up the good work, man. I wish you nothing but success, brother. I mean, I genuinely mean that. Everything you're doing, everything you're building up for, I mean, nothing goes left unsaid. Let me read this here. Thank you always for the kind words and support and all the videos you do helping guys like me create our dreams. Take care, bro. See you soon. Matt from Rebel Reaper. Very dope. I was gonna read this off camera. I wasn't gonna read it on the camera, but I just decided to do it. The cool shit that he does in almost I think every package that goes out comes with a handwritten letter. I purchased shirts from him because I support what he's doing. I liked his designs. There were some designs that I wanted that were already sold out and I was a little bit late to the party, but I did support and I actually purchased stuff from him and it did come with a handwritten note, which is dope, man. I mean, that just shows the detail that he puts into packaging every single order. And like I said, if you watch his Instagram story, you'll know that he is going out, putting packages out. If the orders come in, they're going out within a day or two of you placing that order because he's packaging up everything on his own and getting it out. So much success, bro. I love what you're doing. I really appreciate the content that you put up, and I love the grind, man. It's very unmatched. So this was Rebel Reaper. Here's the site. I'll put everything in the description if you want to pick up some of these glasses, you want to check out his merch. I highly suggest you guys check out his Instagram. Stay up to date with that dude because he is giving away some gems. I love everything he does about, you know, his cut and sew stuff. He'll show competition. He shows what he looks for, and then he incorporates it into his own stuff to create the best product for his consumers. Matt, I appreciate you, bro. Wish you nothing but the best. We'll be in contact, and hopefully you guys will see him on the channel very soon. Next time he's in California, we're gonna link up. We'll put some videos together for you guys and try to get his backstory, man, because I think it's very inspiring and I think it's very dope. I love hearing the struggle before people came up, and he puts everything out there on his social media. So Matt, appreciate you, my bro. All right, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.